Sir, yung holiday pa rin po ba ang September 21?
No, September
Paano ba?
21 is not a holiday. I have declared it as a day of protest. Lahat ng gustong magprotesta laban sa gobyerno, laban sa pulis, sa military o lahat, bagbabaan kayo dyan.
Sir, when you say day of protest, you mean class suspension in government offices?
Oh, walang trabaho at kung gusto yung taga-gobyerno, meron man yan yung mga union dyan, the unions of created under, they should participate. Sabi kasi ng military, pati yung rebels nila, the Red Army, come down here, I will not arrest you. I will not arrest you, but do not, for the life of me, I'm asking you, do not commit crime. No vandalism, no lahat, kasi ang pulis, pati ang army sa barak lang. Ang makikita ninyo dyan, ang traffic lang.